How to allow all apps to open in pop-up view or split screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then in the settings page, we scroll down and tap on advanced features. After that, tap on Labs. Then we go down and tap on multi-window for all apps. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Here said allow all apps to be open in pop-up view or split screen, including apps that haven't been designed for this layout. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to your home screen. Now in here, what you can do is tap on the recent key, and here will allow you to view all the open apps. At the top here, tap on the icon, and here you can open in split screen view or open in pop-up view. And this is the pop-up view, so I can open it and then convert it to split screen. Here I can select another app for the bottom part of the screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.